Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler. Today I've got some super useful tricks to help you quickly create a list of dates in Excel. Excel has got you covered whether you need a simple list of consecutive dates, just the working days, every Monday, or even the same day each month or year. And trust me, once you know these tricks, you'll never have to manually enter dates again. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the easiest method, filling in a list of dates that increase one day at a time. First, enter today's date in a cell. A quick shortcut for this is press Ctrl plus semicolon. This will insert today's date instantly. Now to fill down the column, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until your cursor changes from a white cross to a black cross. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag down the column, and just like that, Excel automatically increments the dates for you. You can do the same thing across a row if you need consecutive dates going sideways. But what if you don't want to increment the date, but instead copy the same date across multiple cells? No problem. Just use the same fill handle trick, but hold down the Control key while dragging down. This forces Excel to copy the same date instead of increasing it. Super handy. Let's say you're planning a weekly schedule and need only Mondays in your list. Here's how to do it. Start by typing your first Monday's date in a cell. Let's say October 10th. In the next cell down, type the next Monday, October 17th. Now select both dates together. This tells Excel the pattern you want. Use the fill handle to drag down, and Excel will continue the same pattern, giving you every Monday in the list. It's that simple. Need a list of dates that skips weekends? Here's how. Type your first date in a cell. Drag down using the fill handle, but watch for the AutoFill Options button that pops up at the bottom right. Click on it and select Fill Weekdays. Boom. Excel automatically skips Saturdays and Sundays, leaving you with only the working days. Now what if you want the same day of the month, like the first of every month? Start by entering the first date. Use the fill handle to drag down. Click the Autofill Options button and choose Fill Months. Excel will now fill in February 1st, March 1st, April 1st, and so on. Need a list with the same date each year, like tracking annual renewals? Enter the first date. Drag down using the fill handle. Click on Autofill Options and choose Fill Years. And just like that, Excel gives you March 15th, 2025, March 15th, 2026, and so on. These tricks can save you tons of time, whether you're managing schedules, tracking deadlines, or just keeping things organized. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an Excel tip. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!